Have you heard the song? It is well with my soul when it says sorrows like sea billows roll. Do you picture a stormy sea like me? Let me remind you, it can't be well with your soul. It can't be well with your soul.
The man who wrote the song sent his wife and daughters on a trip, on a great big ship. Then a terrible storm started, and the man and his wife from their daughters were parted. His wife, Anna, let him know she was from the wreck saved alone.
Like those two,
it can't be well with your soul. With God's marvelous help, they carried on with life, resting in God's peace that like a river flowed. Like those two, it can't be well with your soul. They knew God's heart, and just as He wrote, peace like a river can flow from God to you. In the crazy storms of life, God is with you. Whatever's going on, you can sing, God has made it well with my soul. Yes, God